Buckle. 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 Noun. Definition: a flat, typically rectangular frame with a hinged pin, used for joining the ends of a belt or strap. Example: most rucksacks have quick-release buckles. Noun. Definition: a cake made with fruit, typically blueberries, and having a streusel topping. Verb. Definition: fasten or decorate with a buckle. Example: he buckled his belt. Verb. Definition: bend and give way under pressure or strain. Example: the earth buckled under the Titanic stress.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.